As you know, we started our chapter from the topic importance of light and reaches up to the pinhole camera. In between, we have discussed about what are the shadows, what are the characteristics of these shadows, how these shadows are formed by heavenly bodies, and then what is the process of reflection of light, the images found by the plane mirror, what are the characteristics of there. By doing all that, now this is the time to discuss about the very important part of the chapter, that is keywords you must know and back exercises. Keywords helps us to revise the important topics or processes comes in the chapter, whereas you must know give a brief of our whole chapter, and in this way it will be very helpful by solving the back exercises of ours. Good morning, dear students. Are you ready to learn science with me? Let's go. First of all, we are going to discuss keywords. First word is eclipse, a shadow cast by heavenly bodies. That is eclipse. What is lateral inversion? This is an important property shown by the images found by the plane mirror. The right side of the object appear left in the image and vice versa. Here, what is written? The effect of interchange of left and right between an object and its image in a plane mirror. What is light? Light is a form of energy that help us to see objects. Now, come to the next one. Lunar eclipse, an event in which the moon appears to have disappeared partially or completely for a small interval when earth comes in between the sun and the moon. What is obstacle? Obstacle हिंदी में बाधा बोलते हैं इसको. Something that obstructs or blocks the path of some other thing, that is called obstacle. Opaque objects are those which do not allow light to pass through them. Reflection: when light falls on a surface, it is observed to change its direction of propagation. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. What is a shadow? A shadow is the region in which light from a source gets obstructed by an opaque object or blocked by an opaque object. Solar eclipse, an event in which the sun appears to have disappeared partially or completely for a small time, and when moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Translucent objects, objects that allow light to pass through them partially. And what are transparent objects? Objects that allow light to pass through them. This is all about the keywords. Now we are going to discuss about, you must know, first one, light is a form of energy that produces the sensation of sight in our eyes. Second one, a source of light can be either natural or artificial. Natural is sun, artificial are so many like bulb, LEDs, tube lights, etc. Number 3, objects can be classified as transparent, translucent and opaque, very familiar to you now. Fourth one, light always propagates in a straight line. This property is called rectilinear propagation of light. Number 5, shadows are formed when the path of light gets blocked by some opaque objects. Number 6, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are two examples of formation of shadows in nature. Number 7, pinhole camera produces an inverted, means ulti, and diminished, matlab choti, image of an object. Number 8, when light falls on a surface, it is observed to change its direction of propagation. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. Point number 9 belongs to lateral inversion. We know very well the interchange of sides. Right side of object appears left in the image and vice versa. That is called lateral inversion. Number 10, the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual, काल्पनिक होती है, erect means सीधी होती है, same size and is laterally inverted. Number 11, there are several differences between shadow of an object and an image formed by a plane mirror. We have already discussed about all. Now dear student, this is time to do fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Number 1, an object that allow light to pass through them completely, that is known as what? Transparent. Next one, a shadow is observed on a screen when dash object comes in between it and source of light. And what is the answer? Answer is when opaque object. So here we can fill when opaque object comes in the path of source of light. Next one is shadows formed are always dash irrespective of the color of the object. Shadows हमेशा कैसी होती हैं? Black in color. So black will come there. Next one, a dash is a natural phenomena that sometimes occur on a new moon day. And answer is solar eclipse. सोलर इक्लिप्स ऑलवेज न्यू मून डे यानी कि अमावस्या को होता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हेन लाइट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम अ प्लेन मिरर इट चेंजेस इट्स व्हाट? डायरेक्शन. Answer is direction here. This is all about fill in the blanks. Now we are going to discuss about the match the following. And number 1 is coming before you, or you can say you can see all the 5 natural sources of light. कौन से हैं? Natural sources are sun, stars and firefly. So we are going to write down number 1 here. You can say natural sources of light are these. The second one, CFL, LED and tube light are what? Out of the 5, you can say these are man-made sources of light. Now number 3, rectilinear propagation of light means what? Light moves along a straight line. This is third one. Now eclipse means what? The shadow cast by heavenly bodies. That is eclipse. And here you can say fourth we can write. Now the last one, interchange of the left and right side in the image, and that process or phenomenon is known as lateral inversion. This is all about match the following. Now only MCQs are left behind. Are you ready? Yes. Now the first one that is given at page number 199, objects like the sun which emits light of their own are called what? And answer is first one, luminous objects. Now are you ready for second? That is at page number 200. An object through which we can see partially but not very clearly, and out of 4 that is a sheet of tracing paper. Now the next one, the something which can change its shape and size and may appear and disappear anywhere anytime, that is known as shadow. Next one, when sun during early morning is behind an object, the size of its shadow in comparison to that of the object is what? Larger. And the last one, the image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted and diminished. This is all about MCQs, dear students. Now something is here from my side. By making the best use of light energy, keep learning and observing a lot from your surrounding in turn to serve your society. So this is all about from chapter number 12. Meet you on the other side to start your most favorite chapter, magnets. Thank you, dear students. Have a wonderful day.